Hi, good morning. Our demo for our new version of our original carbon fiber shifter for Toyota. So this shifter will fit all types of automatic gate type transmission. So para lang ito sa automatic. This is original and this is also original carbon fiber. So original shifter to na pina-custom namin to carbon fiber. So fit na fit to, hindi ito replica. This is made in Thailand. So this is the new version. So wala na siyang putol, diretso na siya. So mas suabe siya. This will fit again all Toyota automatic transmission regardless of the car, Vios, Avanza, nakabit na namin yan sa mga Innova, Fortuner, Hilux, basta automatic. Tsaka gate type model siya. Gate type is yung may ngipin yung transmission niya, hindi yung mga 90s na transmission. Yung gate type, so this one fit siya, mas malapad siya, so mas masarap siyang hawakan sa taas. This is the newest version na nilabas namin. So ganyan siya, makinis, perfect. It's carbon fiber, so original siya, huwag ka mag-alala, hindi siya mag-shake, fit na fit siya. Hindi gagalaw, hindi aalog, basta pag original, yun yung maganda. So this one, we're only offering it for 3,800 pesos. So we only have limited stocks for this, for the first batch, and we're only offering it right now for 3,800 pesos. So ito, pag naikabit yun ito na yung actual nyan. So makinis, walang lines, pag hinawakan maswabe siya, malapad. Ito yung gate type shifter, basta Toyota, tapos automatic, ganito yung transmission mo, pwede mong ikabit to. Again, this is only 3,800. You can also buy this from Lazada or Shopee. Just search the account of BLACKLINER, one word, BLACKLINER. Or you can order it directly with us. Payment is BDO, BPI, online banking. Shipping fee around 200 pesos lang yan. So mas mabuti direct kayo bumili kasi konti lang meron kami, as in we just have few pieces for this. So pag naubos, wala na kami kagad available. This is the new version and we're only offering it only at 3,800. This is original carbon fiber, original shifter. Ang tanong nyo, paano kinakabit? Iniikot lang po yan. So madali lang po siya. So ganyan lang po siya. So naiikot all the way. Tapos pag natatanggal mo siya, tapos pag ikakabit mo, saksak lang din, ikot lang din po siya. Very easy to install. Just do not over tighten. So mararamdaman nyo na hihigpit. So that's it na. So eksakto na siya. Yan, perfect fit sa mga mahilig sa mga original carbon fiber. Ito yung masuggest namin sa inyo. Ito bagong version. Offering only for 3,800. Shipping yan, mga 200. BDO, BPI, online banking. We can ship it every day, depende lang sa schedule namin. Also on Lazada and Shopee. Pero mas better direct kayo umorder kasi konti lang meron kami. So pag naubusan na kami, agad wala na kaming available soon dahil meron ECQ at saka lockdown sa Thailand. So limited lang yung meron kami. Thank you.